Right, hi, my name is Kumi Perma Ecovillage, Ghana, and we are in nature, baby. I'd like to thank you so much for watching our videos. As you know, at Kumi Perma Ecovillage, Ghana, we are into tree planting, and I wanted to tell you some of the reasons as to why we should always keep planting trees. About 4 reasons as to why we should keep the environment clean and green. And the first and foremost is clean air. Nature has intentionally provided us with trees so that we can breathe in good air, but unfortunately we've destroyed most of the trees around, and so it's our duty to reforest. It's our duty to replant them so that we can enjoy nature. And if you are planting lots of trees, you are getting lots of fresh air, a lot of clean air, great benefits from the universe. The universe is always blessing you with fresh air. As you likely know, there are a lot of toxic substances out there, from car fumes, cements, plastics. There are lots of pollutants out there that, when we plant a lot of trees, the bark of the trees, the leaves, and the whole tree will absorb some of these, toxic substances, and so we can have the opportunity to breathe in good air. We can have the opportunity to enjoy nature and have all the freshness you are looking for. So please plant trees and enjoy good air. The second reason is water. When we plant lots of trees, we are getting lots of water to drink. Trees, lots of fruit trees are water. Yes, when we talk about the melons, watermelon, if we are planting watermelon, then we are planting fruit trees that contains water. We want lots of water. If we are planting coconuts, we want the coconut water to drink. And we should remember that the best water we humans are supposed to drink is to come from plants. They are to be distilled from plants. These natural sources are not by artificial or man-made means. And so when we are planting trees, we are getting lots of water. All the water can be found in the fruits we are eating, and we are cleansing ourselves. Also, it's an opportunity for us to capture the rain so that it falls at the appropriate time. When we are planting lots of trees, we are supporting nature, we are supporting climate, and we are putting things in order so that we don't destroy the natural pattern of the rainfall. And so if we are planting more trees, we are getting more rain, which will water our crops for us. We will use some in our household chores, use some in drinking, for agriculture purposes, and whole lot of stuff. And we should also remember that trees protect the soil, they protect the lands. Natural disasters wouldn't happen when we are planting lots of trees. And so if you want to live in our natural state, our natural environment, then please, I encourage you to plant more trees. Thirdly, trees serve as food. If we are planting trees, we are planting food. If we are planting trees, we are planting medicinal plants. And so if we want to heal ourselves, if you want to reduce starvation, we want to reduce hunger, we can't work on an empty stomach. And so we should plant lots of trees and get lots of food to eat, not only for our selfish interest, but also for those who cannot plant trees at where they find themselves. Remember, there are lots of people in the outside world who cannot plant. Yes, we here, we Africans, we Ghanaians, we have the better soil, we have good climate that we can plant food for the entire world. We can plant medicinal plants for the entire universe. And so I encourage you to plant more trees. Let's provide food for other creatures to eat. We should have good motives. Let's think about others too. When we are catering for others, looking for food for other creatures, we are automatically helping ourselves. And finally, it's shelter. Most of our shelter we sleep in nowadays from trees. Yes, it's just currently that some people are using artificial stuff, but if you want good health, then hey, the bamboo tree is good for you. Hey, the raffia stick. Hey, there are lots of woods, the odum, wawa, sapele, etie, they are all great stuff that we can use in our buildings. So why not plant lots of them and shun those unnatural cements and iron rods that are disturbing our body and our environment and stuff like that. And one thing about planting trees for shelter, as I said earlier, is we provide support for other creatures. You can hear the birds, as you can hear their sound at the back. The birds live on trees. Most of the insects, most of the mammals, most of the creatures are on trees. And so if you are cutting down trees, if you are destroying trees just for our selfish interest, for mining purposes, then hey, let's be cautious about that. Let's plant more trees. Let's help nature. Let's help our environment. Right, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. You can also comment, like, and share our videos to your family and friends. Right, see you in another video.